Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with NECO 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 28. Which of the following pairs of inequalities is represented on the number line below? Now, this is the number line, and we have two sets of inequalities on this number line. Now, the options given is that p is less than minus 2 and p is greater than or equal to 1. B, p is less than or equal to minus 2 and p is greater than 1. C, p is less than or equal to minus 2 and p is greater than or equal to 1. D, p is less than minus 2 and p is greater than 1. And E, p is less than or equal to minus 3 and p is greater than 3. Now this is the number line, and this is the first inequality here. This is the first inequality, and here we have what? We have the zero, the line pointing towards the left, and it is shaded. Now in inequality, when you have your arrow pointing towards the left, it is what? Less than. And also when you have this circle shaded, it is either what? It's representing that it is what? Equal to also. So this we say it is what? Less than or equal to. And so therefore we say p is less than or equal to minus 2. This is for the first. Now for the second part, we have what? The arrow pointing towards the right, and it is on what? 1, and it is also shaded. And when the arrow is pointing towards the right in inequality, so you say it is what's greater than, plus the shaded circle, we say it is what's greater than or equal to. And so therefore you say p is greater than or equal to 1. Now the two inequalities here are p is less than or equal to minus 2 and p is greater than or equal to 1, and that is option C. Option C corresponds to this answer. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.